We are the Dinner Ladies, and today we are going to be making sausage and egg McMuffin. Yum! For this recipe you'll need 4 ingredients. You need American flat cheese, muffins, eggs, and sausage meat. We also like to add garlic and parsley to our sausage meat. Let's get cooking! Cheers!
Just gonna get some sausage meat out from our local butcher.
Holy moly!
it's quite a long one. But Joe hadn't made it into sausages or anything. And so,
oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
What are we gonna do with it?
Just leave it. Don't play with it. Just leave it like. So
I've never seen such a long sausage.
But we're just gonna squeeze the sausage meat out.
Oh god.
The most McDonald-like sausage meat is Cumberland or Lincolnshire.
Okay, can I say for now that I am not squeezing any sausage out of that?
Well, I don't want to either.
Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
Ah!
Yes!
Oof. Okay.
Brilliant. Do you reckon that bowl's big enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hate this. You like touching meats.
It's okay, but you can just squeeze it out and I'll do the mixing together.
Oh,
and in the meantime, I'll chop the parsley.
How do I get it out?
You know exactly how to do it. Just push it in there. Squeeze it with your fingers like that.
Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You don't need the sounds. That's gross. Do you want a hand? Do you want me to push it from this end? Go. Go.
Oh, God. Oh. Eleanor! Oh, God.
Oh, you can just do it. While Steph's doing the sausage squeezing, you can add some extra seasoning into the sausage, and I will get on with that now. I'm going to be putting in some parsley, a little bit of garlic, and some ground pepper.
And we're done.
So I'm just going to slice up the parsley. What I find is if you ball it up as tight as possible, it makes it for a far easier job of getting it finer. Now, this is quite young parsley, so it's actually really, really thin anyway. I think you can do that though. Why don't you grind?
No, I'm not doing any more of the touching of the meat. Actually, can you just get your fingers in there? Because it'll be so much easier.
Well, it's really cold at the moment, so I actually don't want to get my fingers cold. So you can just carry on with it, that's okay. Please, can you get the grater out? Crib?
On me.
On me. No.
On me.
Right, for garlic, this is the trick. They're really annoying to peel, so if you just bang it like this, like that, so it's squashed, and then you take the end off like that, and then the rest of it comes off really easily.
Whose is that apron that I would like to wear?
Your brother gave it.
No. It's my apron.
I love it. It's mine.
It's my apron, but I'm not allowed to wear my own apron.
We weren't even on the subject. You just brought it up. Right. A little bit of garlic goes in. Not much. You really don't need very much to taste. The parsley. Please, could you grind some pepper in?
Can you just give it a quick whiz?
I like doing it with my hands.
Why?
Because it gets it all in.
Gets what all in?
All of the stuff was just put in, so the garlic and the proportion of it really
So
well.
really, it's just mixed better.
Yeah, it does. I try and do it with my right hand because I hate it when it gets in my ring. What? It's true. It's true.
Okay. So you hate getting sausage in your ring?
No, that's not. You can't say that.
Oh dear.
That's not right. Oh, I don't know. I think I might put a bit too much garlic in it. I hope not.
Everyone likes
Smell it.
garlic. And it gets cooked off, it's quite
You can't
strong.
smell anything, can you?
Dear me.
Right. Okay.
Dear.
So we're going to shape the patties, and what I try and do is make them into a round ball and then put them in the pan and smash them down in a really hot pan to sear them. Size-wise, I make them actually quite big so you can actually taste them in between the muffin.
What size kind of ball are you going for?
That's like a duck egg, isn't it? It's quite big. The less you handle them, the better. I think that one's a little bit too small, so I'll just pinch a bit from that one, shove it in. don't want to have arguments. Quite often, Steph thinks I always take the best plate.
You do.
I don't.
You do. I am very fair when I serve our meals, and Eleanor is always favour yourself.
I always look after you.
Right, what pan?
No, leave that. I'll get the pan.
Can't let them look in here.
Why not?
It's a disgrace.
It's a good draw, this.
It's oh
Right,
gosh, look at all this.
This
Wacky.
This is my pride and joy. I got it for Christmas. This Christmas, just come. My brother Henry bought it for me. Thanks.
Can I ask you to do something? Can you just pick it up with one hand?
Why never need to? When are you
It's
trying to
very
do
hard. I do like this, but it's really heavy. I mean, I'm pretty strong. Pick it up here.
that? But I don't need to.
Pick it up just here. Pick it there. No, one hand.
Why would you?
Right, let's get cooking. Come on.
Did you wait till we were doing
Come on.
this to do that?
Yeah. Let's get cooking.
Can you pass me the olive oil, please? Right, on a high heat, crib. On a high heat.
Right, I'm just about to put the oven on for a warm setting for when the patties are cooked and just to keep them warm. So I'm going to put them on for about 100. That should be fine. Look at our lovely clean oven. Woo!
I would have preferred a bit more of a sizzle, but that's okay.
You're going to press it straight away?
Yeah.
Okay.
So press it down, quite thick, thinly like that, because it will shrivel up again. Oh.
You didn't oil them.
Did?
You didn't oil them.
Oh, I forgot to oil the press.
Yeah. Oh my lord. Is this the same as a pancake where the first one never works?
No.
It's a known fact.
No, I've saved this, it's fine. Look, there we go.
So what happened here?
Well, I just didn't put any oil on the press. If I put oil on the press, then it won't stick to the meat.
Right. Why don't we do this? I've got some greaseproof paper, and I'm going to cut it to size, and so we know it definitely won't stick. Has it worked?
Nearly. Not really. Whose tip was this?
Maybe we should have used a bit of oil.
Well, yes, maybe. Do you want to do the next one?
Yeah, alright, I actually will, please. So I've oiled this, and this should work. It will not stick. Where's the machine? Phew. Oh!
Perfect!
Look at that!
Well done, Boo. Yes! That's really good. So that's how you should do it.
She taught me everything. Whatever.
So, oil the greaseproof paper. Put it on top of the patty. Lift up the patty. Put the patty into the pan that's nice and hot. And you press down really quite hard.
And can I ask?
And then you pull off the greaseproof paper. So do them for about 3 minutes on each side.
How are they looking?
Great.
Keep them warm. I've got it on 100 degrees. Right, let's cook the eggs.
So we've got these great little egg rings that go straight into the frying pan. Now, if you don't have those, some people will have baking rings as an alternative, but these are really handy with the handle. Grease them first. So I will put a little bit of butter onto some greaseproof paper, rub it around the inside of the ring,
Why are you doing that?
so that when I take the egg out, it doesn't stick.
Right, now you're doing that, I will get on and toast the muffins.
In here I've got the fat from the sausages left over and a bit of olive oil.
Whoa!
That feels a bit too high, so I'll turn it down a bit.
Ooh, they look great.
Keep saying that as if you've never seen an egg being fried before. I spoon the fat over the top of the egg, which cooks it from the upside down. If you haven't got an egg ring, then you can just fry the eggs, but it'll spill over the meat in the muffin.
So you want them still soft in the middle. So I reckon these are about done. Woohoo! Wow. I'm going to put a slice of cheese on each of the muffin. There we go. Now for the sausage. Ooh. On there. There. Right, now for the egg.
2 eggs. That one's yours, Boo.
Why?
Because the yolk's closer to the edge, it's not going to be as runny.
That looks better.
I want that.
Eleanor.
You can have it if you want to.
Yeah, I do want that one.
I'd actually like to put a little bit of butter on mine.
Right. You're going to... Yeah.
Well, it's not warm enough. There you go.
That's perfect. Yeah? Okay. Gosh, I don't know...
It's going to be really hot.
Yeah, but I don't know whether I'll be able to get my mouth around this. Wowza!
I told you it would be runnier than mine.
Yours is running.
Not very.
That is delicious. With the combination of the sausage and egg and cheese, this is a right winner.
So that was our sausage egg McMuffin. Please like and subscribe to the Dill Ladies. Cheers!
Cheers!